Sending money from Pakistan to Australia can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. This guide will walk you through the step-by-step process of transferring funds from Pakistan to Australia. First, you need to choose a money transfer service that operates in both Pakistan and Australia. Some popular options include banks, money transfer companies like Western Union and MoneyGram, and online services like PayPal and TransferWise. Next, you need to gather the necessary information and documents. This typically includes the recipient's name, address, and bank account details in Australia. You will also need to provide your own identification and proof of address in Pakistan. Once you have chosen a money transfer service and gathered the necessary information, you can initiate the transfer. If you are using a bank, you can visit a branch in person or use their online banking platform. If you are using a money transfer company or online service, you can usually do this online or through their mobile app. When initiating the transfer, you will need to specify the amount you want to send in the currency you want to send it in. You will also need to pay any applicable fees and exchange rates. It is a good idea to compare the fees and exchange rates of different services before making a transfer. After initiating the transfer, the money will be sent to the recipient's bank account in Australia. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few days, depending on the service you use and the transfer method. To ensure a smooth transfer, make sure to double-check the recipient's bank account details and your own identification information. You should also keep a record of the transfer, including the transaction reference number and any receipts. In conclusion, sending money from Pakistan to Australia is a relatively simple process that can be completed in a few steps. By choosing the right money transfer service, gathering the necessary information, and initiating the transfer, you can quickly and securely send funds to your loved ones in Australia. Always compare fees and exchange rates before making a transfer and keep a record of the transaction for your own reference.